This tutorial review will show you how to recover deleted photos from iPhone. If you accidentally delete photos or videos from your Photos app on iPhone, still you have the chance to recover them in just a few steps. So the first thing you have to do is open your Photos app and let's delete something. I deleted 2 photos. Now let's see how I can recover them. Tap on albums at the bottom. Here, scroll until you find the recently deleted option. So tap on that. And remember one thing, if you delete something from your Photos app, those photos will be stored in recently deleted folder for 30 days. Photos and videos show the days remaining before deletion. After that time, items will be permanently deleted. Now tap on select and select those photos and videos you want to recover. Tap on recover at the bottom right. Tap on recover. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.